This is the way of Chandanwadi. Here is snow everywhere. Here you can slide and enjoy on the snow here. As you can see, so many people around here have come from different parts of the country and enjoying the snow here. Here you can see everyone carrying stick, everyone having gumboots, gum shoes to come up here. And me, you can see I'm in my own shoes without any help, because I know how to go up and how to come down. Here I'm trying to show you the view of this valley, the view of this beautiful piece of land here. This is called Chandanwadi, and you can see the rush of tourists all around here. If you like this, please do come here and enjoy every second of your life at Chandanwadi. This is Chandanwadi, at least 14 kilometers away from Pahalgam. First you have to reach Pahalgam, then you can come here, and you can see the snow has come down during winters in the form of avalanche, and you can see it is here, and it is pretty cold here. It's a sunny day as well here, but it is pretty cold. You can feel the coldness here with the snow, and you can see all around here so many tourists have come from the different parts of the of the country. And here is my friend Dr. Saab. He has come from Odisha, and he is presently working at Delhi AIIMS, and I am trying to show you every moment of this beautiful land. You can really come and have best time of your life. Now we are going down. If you support this video, if you support this, then I can make so many videos for you to. And here is Dr. Saab going down, sliding all the way. Now you can see we came down from this hill, snow, and now we are almost down here. Still we have a little to cross, and we will cross it soon. Yes, and still we are going down. This is a track where from you can go down easily, but almost everyone is scared here. Whosoever have come from outside, so they are scared a little to go up and come down. Now you can see how easily I came down, and I went up to show you. It is just the matter of courage. And if you like this video really, then share, comment and subscribe. You can see it's a little slippery, but you can hold your nerve, you can cross it all the way through. Okay, and I am trying to show you the market of Chandanwadi now. We are heading towards market. This is the way, and have a look where from we came down, and we were been for some time there to show you all Chandanwadi here. Now we are almost down to the road. Now I am going to show you the market now. Here you can see someone having rabbit in their hand, and they are giving it for the photo shoot. Here is one more guy having the rabbit in his lap, and one more. Here you can lunch, breakfast, whatever you like, whether you are in the morning here or in the midday. Yes, he is selling Maggie, coffee, everything. You can listen, you can hear what he is selling. Here are gum shoes. These are been provided for tourists to go up there and come down with these shoes. Here you can see also he's selling the apple juice here, extracting from the real apples. Okay, you can see residue coming out from the machine after making the juice. Now you can listen to him. Hey, Vinyan sir.
वाला साफ सूट
अच्छा
जूस कड़न ये टूरिस्टन खतर
ठीक
घर में यम चून गिलास दिवन जूस गिलास अम सम ताजगी फेरन असल गसन.
This guy says that after taking this juice, they are feeling freshness, and we are providing them the fresh juice here. Okay, thank you very much. Here also, corn is available here. Also a golgappe wala here. He is making selling golgappa. Yes. भाई साहब आप क्या बेचते हो यहाँ पे?
पानी पूरी.
हाँ जी, क्या क्या मिलता है आपके यहाँ?
पानी पूरी, भेल पूरी, मैंगो चाट, ये मीठा.
अच्छा चलिए, थैंक यू सो मच. हाँ ओके, डोंट वरी. हाँ मैं आपको तो ही इज सेलिंग द चिप्स हियर, फ्रेश चिप्स. ही इज फ्राइंग हियर इन द पैन एंड यू कैन सी हाउ ही इज प्रिपेयरिंग द फिक्स चिप्स हियर. सॉरी. एंड कैसे बेचते हो भैया? बेचते कैसे हो भैया?
ये 50 का भी आता है, 100 का भी आता है.
अच्छा
एक मैगी कर दो, एक ये कर दो. एक मैगी कर दो, एक 50 वाला कर दो.
तीन और ये 180. क्या सर क्या?
You can see also Maggi is available here, fast food is available here. Here momos he is making, here momos are being fried here to serve the tourists here.
वेज मोमो.
Veg momo?
Yes.
Achha, these are veg momos, huh?
Yes.
How you are selling veg momos one plate?
100 rupees.
100 rupees one plate.